Mr. John was a carpenter. He was 65 years old. He had worked hard for 40 years. He built houses for many people in the city. He built big houses for rich people and small houses for poor people. John was very good at his job. He knew everything about wood, nails, and roofs. But now John was tired. His back hurt every morning. His hands were rough and shaking. He wanted to stop working. He wanted to retire. He dreamed of a quiet life. He wanted to spend time with his wife and grandchildren. He wanted to sit by the river and fish. No more hammers, no more saws, no more early mornings. Scene 2. The Resignation. One sunny Monday, John went to see his boss. His boss was a wealthy man named Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith owned a big construction company. "Good morning, Mr. Smith," John said. "Good morning, John," the boss smiled. "What can I do for you?" John took a deep breath. "I am here to tell you that I am retiring. I am leaving the company." Mr. Smith was surprised. "Leaving? But John, you are my best worker. Who will build the houses?" "I am sorry," John said. "I am old. My body is tired. I have enough money to live. I want to enjoy my last years." Mr. Smith was sad. He did not want to lose John. He thought for a moment. Then he had an idea. "John," Mr. Smith said, "I understand you, but can you do one last favor for me?" John sighed. "What is it?" "Please build just one more house," Mr. Smith said. "Just one. It is a special project. After this house, you can leave, I promise." John was angry inside. He had already planned his retirement. He did not want to work anymore. But Mr. Smith had been a good boss for many years. John felt he could not say no. "Okay," John said reluctantly, "but this is the last one, I promise." "Thank you, John," Mr. Smith said. "Here is the plan. Here is the money for materials. Start tomorrow." Scene 4. The Bad Attitude. The next day, John went to the construction site. He was not happy. He was grumpy. "Why am I here?" he complained. "I should be fishing. I should be sleeping." Because he was angry, he did not care about the house. Usually, John was a perfectionist. He always checked every measurement. He always bought the best wood. But this time, his heart was not in his work. He went to the lumber yard to buy wood. "I need wood for a house," John told the seller. "We have high-quality oak wood, but it is expensive. Or we have cheap pine wood. It is weak, but it is cheap." "Give me the cheap wood," John said. "It does not matter. I just want to finish fast." Scene 5. Cutting Corners. John started to build the frame of the house. He worked quickly, too quickly. He did not measure the walls carefully. One wall was a little bit crooked. "Nobody will see it," John thought. "I will cover it with paint." He used fewer nails than usual. "It is strong enough," he said to himself. "I just want to go home." His workers saw this. They were surprised. "Mr. John, are you sure?" a young worker asked. "This wood looks bad. The roof is not straight." John shouted at him, "Do not tell me how to do my job. I have been building houses for 40 years. Just do what I say." The young worker stayed silent. Scene 6. The Hidden Mistakes. Weeks passed. The house began to take shape. From the outside, it looked okay. It had fresh paint. It had nice windows. But inside the walls, it was a disaster. The pipes were cheap plastic. The wires were messy. The floor was uneven. If a strong wind came, the roof might shake. John knew this, but he did not care. "It's just a house," he thought. "Someone will buy it. It's not my problem. I will be retired soon." He painted over the cracks. He put carpet over the bad floors. He hid all his mistakes. Usually, building a house takes 6 months. John finished this house in 2 months. Scene 8. The shock. Mr. Smith turned to John. He smiled, a warm, big smile. He took John's hand and put the key back into John's palm. John was confused. "Boss, what are you doing?" "John," Mr. Smith said, "I have worked for you for 40 years. You have built houses for everyone else." Mr. Smith paused. "This house is my gift to you. It is yours. You built it, and now you can keep it. Happy retirement, my friend." Scene 9. The regret. John stood frozen. His face went pale. His ears started to ring. He looked at the key in his hand, then he looked at the house he built with cheap wood, the house with the bad pipes, the house with the crooked walls, the house he built with anger and impatience. "No," John whispered. "What is wrong?" Mr. Smith asked. "Do you not like it?" John could not speak. He felt a heavy stone in his stomach. If he had known he was building his own house, he would have done everything differently. He would have used the best wood. He would have used the strongest nails. He would have built it with love. Now it was too late. He had to live in the house he built. Scene 10. The lesson. John moved into the house. Every time the floor creaked, he remembered his laziness. Every time the roof leaked, he remembered his impatience. He lived in that house for the rest of his life. It was a daily reminder. He told his grandchildren this story. "Listen to me," John would say. "Your life is like a house. Every day you lay a brick. Every day you hammer a nail. Do not cut corners. Do not use cheap materials. Build wisely. Build with love. Because in the end, you have to live in the house you build."